As a result of numerous remodels throughout its life, this 1930s house had lost its identity. The Phase 2 team wanted to create usable, functional spaces while replicating the character and solid era design with contemporary materials. The team focused its energy on the primary bath and dressing room in this remodel, modifying the shower and closet and adding a freestanding vintage tub turned the boring 80s bathroom into something more usable and classic. The shower entrance features a lovely arch set off by exquisitely curved molding. Because the dressing table was a must to restore and rebuild, the team preserved the original cabinetry while replacing the top and mirror. While the guest bathroom layout did not change, the design elements did. These updated finishes, including a custom painted tile mural in the niche, create that charm you would expect to see. The Phase 2 team used tile wainscot in the bathrooms to reinforce the early 1900s era design and sought out period replica fixtures to reflect the style. They also restored the half bath with elements more appropriate for the age. Upscale wallpaper and paint elevated the feel of this small gem. New tile floor and countertops combined with the antique vanity and fixtures refreshed and reinvigorated the space. This home no longer suffers from an identity crisis. It maintains its connection to the past while giving the family the convenience and streamlined flow needed for the future.